Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where it reads that a problem with Windows is preventing screen snipping from opening. Refreshing your PC might help fix it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best results should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list, go ahead and type in Snipping Tool. And then you want to select the three-dot icon next to it and select where it says Advanced Options. Scroll down and you want to select underneath Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And now attempt to launch the snipping tool, and if it's still having an issue, you can attempt to reset it. So if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select the reset button and select reset. And then once you're done with that, proceed to close out of here, and then I would restart my computer. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.